Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. First of all, open your PayPal account and sign in with your PayPal account on your web browser. And after that, you have to click on Wallet on the top. From here, you will see your banks and your linked cards with your PayPal. You have to click on Link a Card or Bank. You have to link a bank account or a debit card or credit card. I will select link a debit card or credit card. From here, you have to choose any kind of option, for example US Bank, or I will just select debit or credit card. In this section, you have to enter the card details of your Revolut card. Open your Revolut app and go to the card section and copy the details of your card and enter the exact details on this section and click on Link Card. After you're done linking with your Revolut card, your card will be shown in this list. And then what you have to do is go to your home and you have to click on Send. I don't have any funds in my PayPal account right now, but if you do have funds in your account, you will see an option called Transfer Funds. You have to click on Transfer Funds and you have to select your Revolut card. Then PayPal will ask you how much amount do you want to transfer to your Revolut card. You just have to enter the amount, and that's how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.